Well, a new resource called Creative Coping Toolkit is now available and free to all K-12 students and at the higher education community college level. It's all thanks to Impactful Fund and its mission to address anxiety, suicide, loneliness, social media addiction, bullying, kindness, trust, and belonging. Impactful Fund founder and filmmaker Sheila Andreen is here with us to tell us more. Thanks so much for being here, Sheila.
Oh, thanks, Farah, so much for having me.
Well, we appreciate you being here. Tell us about the access students, parents, and educators will have to this toolkit.
So we've built this out over time, over the last 6 years, and we've tested it throughout the country. It is a digital portal, and it is film and evidence-based. So you can actually go to impactfulusa.org, and this is a part of a pilot program. I had heard, I guess it was in July, I heard about 3 suicides all in 1 week of youth dying. Then I was talking to a mom who was saying, is this program good for our school? There were 2 suicides, and then a counselor died by suicide. And something kind of just hit me. And I thought, we have a great program, it is helping people, it is saving lives, and I need to make it available. So we decided to roll it out for free for every K-12 school and every learning institution in Washington, Illinois, and Alaska. And it's really a program to help us figure out how to roll it out nationwide. You can go to the portal, you can watch the movies. It's not tutorials, it's not animation. And you know how movies are so powerful? You watch something, you learn something, and then it stays with you because it's in the form of story.
Yeah.
But with mental health, it's actually modeling how you can put words to what you're feeling, how to reach out for help, how to maybe identify if someone is struggling, and what do you do?
Yeah, and a lot of the things that are being covered for this mental health scope for young people include things like social media addiction, bullying, or, you know, being an upstander safely. So if you could talk about maybe, you know, social media addiction and how important it is to have that topic covered.
Yeah, so social media addiction, I'm someone who, I'm kind of impatient. I love brain science. I like to have some sort of an action to take to address something. The social media platforms are designed to get us addicted, to stay on the platform. So you have to, when you're looking at your kid and you're like, God, I can't get them off their phones, it is by design. So there's wonderful brain science that if you think in terms of like 20-minute intervals, so if, and by the way, not just kids are like addicted to social media,
adults.
like we as adults are addicted.
Yeah.
So just remember, there's countless studies. 20 minutes is sort of your safe zone. So if you were to check your social media 3 times a day, but put a clock on it of 20 minutes, that's literally an hour of your 16 hours that you're awake, right? So that's actually can kind of be healthy. You can check in, stay in. But then, you know, as we sort of like, let's halo into the kind of bullying aspect, right? There's a lot on social media. There's a lot of fake news. Negative news actually spreads and is much more viral. So how do we start to discern like our actions on social media? How can we be our best selves? Are you posting to give or are you posting to get? This is what the Like, which is one of the film programs. There's 4 film programs in the Creative Coping Toolkit. And Like is the second one. And it really addresses how you can hack your relationship with your devices and with social media.
So many smart things that adults can use too, like you said as well, not just kids. For more information about the Creative Coping Toolkit, Impactful Washington resources, and how to donate to the Impactful Fund, you can text the word IMPACT to 206-448-4545 and we'll send you a link directly. Right now, if you or someone you know is in crisis, you can get in touch with someone at this moment. You can reach 24/7 suicide prevention and confidential support by calling or texting 988. Sheila, thanks so much for being here with us.
Thanks so much for having me.